Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 16 power 7 minus 16 power 6. 16 is a perfect square, which is 4 power 2, and the same thing as 2 power 4. So I can express this as 2 to the power of 4, and this is raised to the power of 7 minus, here is the same thing, 2 to the power of 4, and this is raised to the power of 6. Now, if you have a to the power of n raised to the power of m, this equals a to the power of n times m. So, by multiplying this, I'm going to have 2 to the power of, this is 28, 4 times 7 is 28, minus 2 to the power of 4 times 6 is 24. So, what I can do will be to express this 28 here as summation of 20 and 8. I have 2 power 20 plus 8 minus 2 power 24. I will express it as summation of 20 and 4. Now remember, if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So this and this will give us 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 4. This is 2 to the power of 8, not 4, because we have 8 here. So at this point, I can factor out 2 to the power of 20 because it is comma. Then this divide this, I have 2 power 8 minus this divide this, I have 2 to power 4. Now, we need to find the value of 2 power 8. 2 to the power of, so from here, 2 to the power of 8, I can express this. Remember, 2 to the power of 5 is 32, 2 to the power of 6 is 64, 2 to the power of 7 is 128, so 2 to the power of 8 is 256. That means this will be 2 to the power of 20 times 256 minus 2 to the power of 4 is 16. We have 16 here. So from here, I can have 2 to the power of 20 times 256 minus 16. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 1, we have 4. This is 240. You have 240 right here. Now we need to find the value of 2 to the power of 20. Now, 2 to the power of 20, I can express this as 2 to the power of 10 times 2. That is 20, and this is times 240. And remember, a power n times m equals a power n all to the power of m. Applying that here, I will have 2 power 10 raised to the power of 2 times 240. And 2 to the power of 10 is just the same thing as 2 to the power of 5 all power 2. And 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So if you take the squares of 32, you have 32 times 32, that is 1024. So 2 to the power of 10 here is 1024, and this is raised to the power of 2 times 240. So finding the squares of 1024, this means 1024 times 1024, or I can express this as 1000 plus 24, that is 1024 power 2 times 240. Now, to simplify this, this is just like having, if you have a plus b power 2 equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And your a is 1000, b is 24. So this is 1000 squared plus 2 times 1000 times 24 plus 24 squared. And the whole of this will multiply to 40. 1,000 squared is 1 million, plus this is 48,000 plus 24 times 24 is 576. And this will multiply to 40. So 1 million plus 48,000 plus 576 is 1,048,576, and this will multiply to 40. So let's multiply this out to have our final answer. We have 1,048,576 times 240. First and foremost, I will make use of 0 to multiply everything here. This is 0 times 6, 0, 0 times 7, 0, 0 times 5, 0, 0 times 8, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0. Then we'll make use of 4. 4 times 6, 24, 4 carry over 2. 4 times 7, 28, plus 2, 30, 0 carry over 3. 4 times 5, 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 3 carry over 2. 4 times 8, 32, 32 plus 2, that is 34. So we have 4 and carry over 3. Now 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 19, 9 carry over 1. Then 4 times 0, 0 plus 1. Then you have what? 4 times 1, we have 4. Then 2 times 6, 12, 2 carry over 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 carry over 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry over 1. 2 times 8, that is 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 carry over 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, you have 2. So you add up everything together. So this is 0, this is 4, this is 2, this is 8, this is 5. This is 16, 6 carry over 1, add here, 11, 1 carry over 1, add here, 5, and you have 2. So guys, our final answer for 16 power 7 minus 16 power 6 is 251,658,240. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.